Greetings everybody from Purple Shamrock Farm. Just thought we would give you a little idea of what happens when it rains here on the farm. Chores don't stop. Our ducks absolutely love the rain. That's something that we don't have to worry about. Now our chickens, on the other hand, they tend to stay in the coop on rainy days. But let's go and get our chores done and try to get back before we get too soaked. We're at our first egg stop, and can you hear that up above? It's the rain hitting the tin roof on this pole barn. So our one set of small breed chickens is located here. There's usually one egg, so let's see if we get that today. Time to dodge the raindrops and head to the larger barn. Our second stop is inside the bigger barn that contains our largest coop. And in here, during a rainy day, the nest boxes tend to be a little messy, so we're probably going to have to do some serious egg cleaning tonight. But let's go in and make sure that they have enough food and enough water and collect the eggs. We are inside the big chicken coop. This coop really needs to be cleaned, so we will be having a volunteer day soon for some friends and family. But I just had to show you the smart chickens are in here out of the rain. And of course, our flock boss, Gertie, she gets the prime roosting location. Not a bad haul for a rainy day in the large coop today. As I go to approach the third coop, I notice a sagging electric fence. Gotta turn off the power. So, as you can see, we are at coop number 3. It's still raining, although not as hard as it was when we first went out, but we're not going to press our luck on that. We are going to collect the eggs from this small coop. Make sure that we have 9 chickens in this coop because sometimes they tend to get out of the fence. So we'll make sure that that is done. And then we will take our haul back up to the house to feed the dogs and cats and call it an evening for feeding for evening chores. Then we'll just need to make sure that we put everybody up for the night, and that will be it for today. So let's collect the eggs from the small chicken coop. I have a bit of a broody hen. All right, so we are getting ready to count the 9 chickens to make sure we've got everybody in here that we need to. That way, when we come down for the final time tonight, we should have no problem. We won't need to double check or anything. Usually, if everybody is in the fence by this time during the night, they are not going to get back out again. So let's make sure we have 9 chickens. You folks, there were 9 chickens. I didn't have a chance to show you all, but The rain is starting to come down, the wind has picked up, and we are trying to book it back to the house now. So that being said, I have a good haul here in my basket. I'm gonna make sure I get inside before it starts absolutely pouring. But that is how you do